Have you ever thought about growing your own medicinal herb garden? Imagine having natural remedies right at your fingertips. This video will guide you through the process of starting your own herb haven. Stay tuned, and you'll learn how to nurture your own healing herbs right at home. First things first, let's gather up the necessary tools and materials. To start your medicinal herb garden, you'll need essentials such as pots or planters, soil, and of course, herb seeds. You can find these at any local garden center or online. Choosing the right location is also crucial. Whether it's a sunny windowsill or a corner of your backyard, make sure your herbs get ample sunlight. With these simple tools and the right location, you're already halfway there to starting your medicinal herb garden. Now it's time to pick your plants, but which herbs should you choose? Let's start with lavender, a calming herb known for promoting restful sleep. Next, consider mint, a versatile plant ideal for soothing digestive issues. And don't forget chamomile, a gentle herb that can help ease stress and anxiety. These herbs are beginner-friendly and easy to grow. But the best part? These herbs not only bring flavor to your meals, but also come with a host of health benefits. You've got your tools, location, and herbs. Now, let's get planting. Start by making small holes in the soil, roughly twice as wide as the root ball of your herbs. Place each herb in its hole and cover it gently with soil. Remember, most herbs love sunlight, so place your garden where it gets ample rays. Water regularly, but don't overdo it. Herbs don't like soggy roots. When the plants mature, harvest by cutting the top third. With a bit of patience and care, you'll soon have a thriving medicinal herb garden. And there you have it, your own medicinal herb garden. From choosing the right tools to picking the perfect herbs and caring for them, it's a rewarding journey. The benefits are endless: improved health, tranquility, and a greener thumb. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.